Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Roblox down. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step is you need to search here Roblox and open Roblox and log in your account. Once you log in your account, you can see that we are aware that some of you are having issue across Roblox. Our team is actively working on that, and you can refresh that, so you can see that it is not working. So you can see that the Roblox team is working on that issue, and in a few hours that issue will be resolved by the Roblox team. But if you want, you can also try to reach them by clicking on help and mention your issue, but Roblox team is actively working on that, and in few hours that issue will be resolved. So you need to wait for few hours and your issue will be resolved. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.